Hi guys, welcome to Distracker channel guys. So guys, everyone using the Facebook option. So one option will be very much of people are asking number of times. Sir, I'm unable to add group with the profile and page option. So first of all, any group you can select. First option, remember, any group will be eligible for page and profile. The first of all group setting will be compulsory. You will be create for eligible for profile and page. So that is called when you search any kind of groups, like suppose I'm searching for Instagram, selecting group option. So a lot of groups are there about Instagram. If I'm click this option, now joining will be direct profile. This is option will be some other groups will be joining with your profile and page option. So when it is possible, suppose you can member of your particular group, that is called in a setting, you can join this group. We have to using two option, profile and page, and anyone profile will be accepted. So when your group will be adding the particular option, profile and page is compulsory visible purpose. In a group, we have to setting option name is called who can join this group, profile and page only for profile. The setting compulsory setting on your particular group option. So that is the reason some of the groups not accepting for pages. So they are creating for groups only for profile purpose. So no need to worry. If you're creating for profile or page, when you're sharing time, you have selecting option page wise, profile wise. When you're selecting page wise, only certain groups will be eligible through page wise. If your profile wise, how many groups you have, we can certainly will be support. Suppose I'm selecting through page, they were only suitable by the page and particular things. So this is the option will be here. Now I'll go to content, group, only certain groups. They are only showing two options, group and page. So what are the group joining with your page? They will accept. Suppose you can sharing from through profile. The lot of option will be sharing on the particular content. Now click the share option, share now, news feed, messenger, groups. In the groups, lot of groups will be supported, not one, two, three groups. How many groups will be joining to profile? They're supporting all groups in the particular group option. So that is the reason some groups is not eligible by the pages. That mean by they not fulfilled by the setting option, where the group option will be called setting. In this, will go down here. Who can join this group? If we selecting for two options, profile and page, both is accepted. Only profile, they can accept the only profile option. The setting, don't forget, your group will be joining through page, through profile also. This is compulsory, keep it under mind to work on adding the groups through profile and through page. This is a purpose. A lot of people commenting me, so I'm unable to add the groups through profile and through page. There's a clarity for this option. When you can join this group, compulsory setting will be important. If any further questions still you have in mind, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support how we can join in groups, what are the settings are mandatory to joining with the page and the profile option. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, share, comment our channel option. So guys, what are the questions you want? Ask me. I definitely will be clarify your doubts, each and every options. So clear guys, this is the main option for Facebook page and group clarification.